Dear students, today we are going to discuss our topic Knowledge Management System. As we know, knowledge is power. We acquire it through continuous effort, and it is the culmination of our efforts, our thought process, our whole initiatives, our creativity, and our determination too. Now, what about the knowledge of organization? It is the sum total of the knowledge of each and every person within that organization. I mean to say, the sum total of the knowledge of each and everybody within that organization who is working for that organization, and any other knowledge related to the organization function too. Now a system is being applied to capture, enhance, upgrade, share, and use the organizational knowledge. And this system is none other than knowledge management system. So knowledge management system is the system by which an organization is in a position, or through knowledge management system we can say organization will be in a position to capture the knowledge, to enhance the knowledge, to upgrade the knowledge, to share the knowledge, to use the knowledge for the effective working of an organization, internally and externally. Knowledge management system used in many fields, in many areas, in many systems, in profit-making organizations, in non-for-profit making organizations, in HR system, in general management system, that is business administration system, in information technology, in computer science itself, and other areas too. Basically, we are having two types of knowledge: tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge. Tacit knowledge is a knowledge what we are having within, but we are not aware of it. Consciously, we are not aware that we are having this knowledge. This is the tacit knowledge. And explicit knowledge is knowledge what we are having in our mental focus, and we know that we are having this knowledge and we can share this knowledge to others or with others. So the prime motto, prime goal of knowledge management system is to convert this unconsciously known, unconsciously having that tacit knowledge into explicit knowledge. There are various KM perspectives, that is technocentric, organizational, and ecological too. In technocentric, we use the technology to enhance the knowledge base. We use the technology to share the knowledge within and outside the organization. In organizational perspective, we try to enhance and upgrade the knowledge of the organization itself in all areas. And through ecological perspective, we share our knowledge outside through various people, by interaction with various people, various systems, and various aspects which are prevailing within environment. That is our ecological interaction with the people, with the systems, with the functions, with the technologies and all. Now we will discuss various knowledge management technologies. First is the groupware. This technology is being used to improve the collaborations, to have the good collaboration among various organizations. So it is being used for the collaborative enhancement with various organizations. Second is the workflow. How the smooth generalization of the process of the work is being maintained. I mean to say the process of knowledge is there in a clear pattern, that is the workflow. Third is the content management, that is the knowledge base, that is the web content or the documentation content. How it is being managed, how it is being processed. Now the enterprise portal. It is the portal where an organization is having all the information related with the organization. A portal is having all the information related with that organization itself. Next one is the e-learning. That is very much prevalent, very much used in today's modern world. In fact, now I am interacting with you all. It is e-learning module. Basically, customized type of learning atmosphere is being created. Customized type of knowledge sharing is being used through e-learning module of knowledge management system. Last one would be the telepresence, that is the virtual meeting without the physical presence of the persons within that meeting. As we know, the use of Zoom nowadays, a very much prevalent aspect of that. A meeting is being organized and various persons are there. They share their views, they share their thoughts, and their physical presence are not there. That is the telepresence. So we can say that in the modern world, knowledge management system is highly used, and the future of knowledge management system is highly appreciated, highly workable in each and every sphere of organization functions and organizational goals.